Okay, looks like the consensus is for this upper cabinet, it's going to be 12 inches deep. Talking with the countertop contractor. Let's see here. He's putting the backsplash is going to go behind this angled cabinet slightly. Otherwise, it's too difficult for him to get in. So we're going to have to make this shallower. And there's backsplash completely surrounding the window, even above the window. So that's going to take up about 7/8 of an inch. So this cabinet is now going to be 12 inches out from the wall. It'll be 11 inches deep to account for a backsplash behind it, but it is the inside depth will be 10.5. This is their overall depth minus the 3/4 for the back, minus the 1.5 for the front. So, well, 9.5 is the inside depth, and the height is 8.5 inches. So looking straight down, those corners come together. This is 12 inches deep. This corner comes together here, and that cabinet's off the wall an inch. This cabinet's off the wall an inch. So let me know if that works. Otherwise, we are going to move forward with this construction style, and it's straight across. There's no arch or eyebrow. It's just a slab front. All right, thank you.